Our fictional movie has its roots in a true story. An environmental disaster has turned the Aral Sea in a desert unlike any other.
Our first challenge was to recreate the Aral Sea desert. We decided to shoot at the beach and add CG elements.
To build a realistic Aral Sea environment, a varied asset library was required. I made 6 different boats and did a rusty paint texture with look variations on each boat. I made terrains in Houdini and ZBrush and shaded with procedural sand texture in Substance Designer. To populate the desert, I created multiple assets, mixing hard surface, sculpt, procedurals, and a scattering system. I made all setup and render-ready HDAs for every asset to gain quick artistic control and facilitate set dressing.
Since we had a lot of still shots, I used DMP and camera projection to enhance the CG and the background. I matched the shooting plates and extended them so that we actually feel like we are in the desert.
Another challenge was to create new but believable creatures based on crabs and squid. While the crab is tiny, the squid has an enormous scale which requires optimization to work in 3D. To have this very particular look, I was inspired by Salvador Dali's painting The Dream, as well as giant squid and even giraffes. I also created a CG double of our actor using clothing simulation in Marvelous Designer for a realistic hazmat suit.
I created Mathilde's asset rigging. The main challenge was how to conceive of a rig for an hybrid quadruped and, on top of it all, to deal with an underwater placement. So I used 2 rigging sets. One for the squid, working with dynamic curves, for the tentacles and fins, to give the animator an interactive and overlapping control. A second rig was used for close-up shots for the tentacles.
For the squid, I combined references to create a unique creature. I took giraffe and the squid video and mutated the walk and the behavior. For the timing, my references were Pacific Rim and King Kong.
We wanted hundreds of little crabs to swarm in the shadows, so I used a crowd simulation. I rigged the crab in Houdini and set up an HDA to get lots of control over it in the simulation.
I animated the crabs in Houdini. To facilitate the crowd, for the crab disintegration, I planned the action with the sketches and the solid layout. This gave us the right timing between the action and the effect.
For the crab disintegration, I created a mix of David's animation and RBD to have a collapsing effect. I added particles to have a more consistent look. Then I devised a custom force to drive these particles. This created an organic and controlled movement.
It was paramount to create a night mood and a feeling of drama for the movie's final sequence. So I adapted each shot of the night scene to reinforce the scale of the squid through lighting. I added some fog over the environment as well, so it's easier to perceive the distances and the heights.
We shot in the afternoon, so I recreated the night feeling in compositing with the day-for-night technique. I used Godzilla and Blade Runner as references. To underscore the power of our giant creatures looming in the night, I placed fog on cards in the 3D space of Nuke, mixed with the Z and P pass.
The scene simulation was also key to conveying a sense of realism, as well as reinforcing the creature's scale. We wanted a smooth flow but chunky, sandy but crusty too. I used a first RBD layer to create the crusty effect. Then I applied it as a proxy animation to drive the grain simulation. This technique gave me the look of crumbly sand that we wanted.
With Aral, we chose to challenge ourselves with a varied VFX movie that required lots of different techniques. We had an amazing time and hope you felt the same watching it.